guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another new release video. I'm so pumped for this new release video because if you've been following me on Instagram or in my Facebook group, you would know that I reformatted my kits yet again, but I'm really excited. I actually really missed this format. This is basically the format before the one we have now. So I did tweak it a little bit so it does look different, but it's basically the same 6-page kit, and I loved this format whenever I had it in my shop. I don't really know why I switched. I guess I was just like, I need to do something different, and I love the format that the format before this one, the one that you guys saw in like the last video. I do love that format, but I just think that this is a better format for you guys and for me as well. So I'm really excited to share that with you guys. So we have 3 new collections coming this week and I'm really excited about them. Let's get into this new release. This is our last summer release, and then we're moving on to fall and winter and Christmas and all that fun stuff, which I know sounds way too early, but we're doing a Christmas in July sale, so we gotta move on. All right, so our first collection is this ice cream collection, and here are the glitter headers. Hoping that this shows up well on camera. It's kind of cloudy outside right now. All right, and then here's our like functional sheet. And then you have your headers and little things. You have your date covers, half boxes, quarter boxes, full box checklist, and then a sidebar like Monday through Sunday box. I can't even pick this up. Full boxes, and then I kept the new release sticker, $2 Tuesday, and sticker sale for you guys. And then we have the washi sheet, which I went back to one big washi just because they changed the planners, and so I feel like this is going to be better for the newer Erin Condren planners, so that's why I went back to that. But yeah, I'm kind of sad because I do kind of miss the bow washi, but I think that this will just work for everyone, hopefully. So the mini kit comes with 4 pages. It comes with this functional sheet, and of course your full boxes. And then you have your date dots, date strips, and then half boxes, quarter boxes, and then the biggest change for the mini kits happens on this sheet, and I added some headers, and then you have just like some other little stuff here in your washi. So not a huge change. It doesn't come with the headers and little things and the full box checklist, but I find that like I personally don't really even use those sheets, so a mini kit would be perfect for me, and I feel like this would be perfect. Add in some glitter headers, and that's basically all I would need for a kit. So hopefully the new mini kit format is good for you guys. And we're not doing a la carte sheets on like these new formats just because I was trying to simplify and just make things easier for you guys and for me. And I feel like a la carte, as much as I want to offer it, it's just very difficult for me to like have stock, and then I end up having extra sheets of stuff and they go into oops bags. And so I just feel like this is perfect because when you order a kit, like you get the kit and there's no extra sheets that I have to worry about, and you don't have to worry about like adding separate sheets and figuring out which sheets have which things. So anyway, so not only did our Erin Condren / Happy Planner kits get a makeover, but so did our Hobonichi weeks. So we actually have 3 sheets now, and that is mainly because I wanted the second sheet to have stuff for like that other sheet, that other page in your planner. But then, so basically view this as like a whole sheet, okay? So you have these 2, but then I have like this extra leftover on the sheet where I was just like, what do I do with it? So I ended up putting 3 sheets together. So on your first sheet, it kind of just looks almost the same as the old format, but I've added boxes in here, and I also added like this white out part for the top. Hang on, I'll show you guys. So I added the white out part right here at the top, so that way you can write in like June, because I cover it up, and so then it's like, well, what month is this? I can't talk. What? So I added the white out there for you guys, so you guys can use that. And then on our second page, I have just stuff that can go over here, like monthly trackers. You have this if you want to track something. I thought that was really cool. And then you still have your like little functional stuff and more like boxes if you guys like that stuff. So I know it's kind of a lot. Like I personally probably won't use all of this in my planner, but I like having the different options, and I just kind of felt like this was the best format, and the sheets still fit in here. So yeah, but that is our Hobonichi Weeks kit, and I'm kind of loving this 3-page kit out actually. All right, and I finally got my mini Happy Planner file to cut. So I think I'm gonna go back. I know the last new release, I had 3 new collections and I didn't put them in this because I couldn't get the files to cut. So I'm gonna go back and try to get those files to cut. But we have our mini Happy Planner kits. They didn't change at all. So this is what the ice cream kit looks like. I don't even know if I told you guys like the name of this collection is ice cream. I love ice cream, so I thought it was perfect. And we actually had this kit in the shop last year and I really loved it, so I brought it back. And here we have one that has also been in the shop before. This is the pineapple kit. So you have the glitter headers, you have your functional sheet, headers and little things, date dots, half boxes, date strips, full or quarter boxes. I almost said full boxes, that's not a full box. Full box checklist with your sidebar sticker here. Full boxes. I love the colors of this kit, you guys, and I love the quote, "In a world full of apples, be a pineapple." So I thought that was a really nice quote. And then you have your washi sheet and then some sidebar stuff as well. So then you have your mini kit, which has the functional sheet, your full boxes, your date dots and half boxes, quarter boxes, and then your washi sheet with some with some headers and then sidebar stuff as well. Then we have our pineapple Hobonichi kits. Just look like that. I'm really excited for these new Hobonichi Weeks kits too. We have our pineapple mini Happy Planner kit. Seriously, guys, this kit, I love the colors of this kit. And then the last collection I'm so excited about. It's new to our shop. Like, I've never used this clip art before. In fact, I believe it just came out recently. So this is our pool party kit, and here are the glitter headers. Then you have your functional sheet. Dates, cover-ups, quarter boxes, half boxes. You have your headers and little things. Full box checklists. I'm gonna brighten the thing up a little bit because it felt like it was too dark. Then you have the full boxes, you guys. I feel like these are just so gorgeous. I love them. I love them, you guys. I love them so much. I can't get over it. Then you have your washi sheet. All right, so you have your functional sheet, the beautiful full boxes, half box sheet, and then you have your washi with your headers, and that is the pool party collection. And again, we have the Hobonichi Weeks, and the mini Happy Planner kit. Guys, I seriously can't get over this art. It's so beautiful. Alright guys, so those are all of the new items hitting the shop this week. I'm going to have a coupon code in the description box if you guys are interested in saving some money on this. It will be only for Shopify, not for Etsy. So if you guys want these, they will be on Etsy, just not at a discounted price because it's Etsy. That is it. That's a wrap on our summer kits. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comments below what you think of the new format. Do you like it? Do you hate it? Let me know your thoughts down below. And don't forget to check out these beautiful kits if you are interested. I'm gonna have all the links down below. Thank you guys so much for watching and for supporting my shop. I really, really appreciate you guys and every order that you place, every time that you like my video. I'm so grateful for you guys. So thank you so, so much for your support. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. Join our family. I make videos like all the time. And I have lots of behind the scenes videos and how to run a sticker shop. And I also have just other lifestyle videos. So if you guys are interested in that, click the subscribe button, click the bell notification. And I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Rock